All right, that was my 2 pounds of ground beef mixed with Italian herbs. Now I'm coming in with my Rayo's pizza sauce, and I have a little cookie scoop here, and we're gonna scoop some pizza sauce onto each of our cups of beef, just like so. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious, quick little lunch dinner hack that you will love. All you need to do is get your beef into your cups, evenly distributed. And don't worry, I'm using this whole jar of pizza sauce, so there is no cross-contamination happening. Everything will be cooked out. Okay, beautiful. Next, I'm coming in with my sliced mozzarella cheese, and we are just gonna go ahead and take this right out of our wrapper, and we're gonna cut it in half, just like so. Perfect. We're gonna grab our slices just like this, and then we're just gonna fold it right on top of our pizza sauce. We're gonna quickly get a slice of cheese onto each of our patties. All right, getting cheese on our last little cup here. Now I'm coming in with some mini pepperonis, and we're gonna do a couple of these pepperonis right on top of each of our cups, just like so. Now, if you don't like pepperoni, you could do an olive, you can do a ham and pineapple. Kind of just choose whatever pizza topping you like, because that's kind of the vibe we're going for here. But these mini pepperonis are perfect for this dish. Oh my goodness, look how quick and easy this is. Let's get our last one covered in pepperoni. These look absolutely delicious. Okay, and that is it. These are gonna go ahead in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. All right, well, those are in the oven. We're gonna go ahead and grab some Hawaiian king rolls. And I already cut these right in half, just like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 stick of melted butter. And inside that butter, I'm gonna add some minced garlic. About 1 tablespoon should do. I love garlic, you guys know that. And then also we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to our butter. Add as much or as little as you like. There we go, perfect. Made a little mess, but that's no problem. I'm gonna grab my little brush and give this a nice, good mix. And then we're gonna spread that butter with that garlic and that cheese right onto our Hawaiian rolls, just like so. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the best dinner you've ever had. So easy just to throw together. Kids love it. It's very kid friendly. Guests love it, parents love it. It's everything you want and more. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put those tops back on and put the rest of the butter right on top. Just gonna pour it this time. Beautiful.
That looks so delicious.
Yeah, make sure it gets evenly coated though. All right, and little fun fact, you can actually throw in this little paper container that it comes in into the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and get these nice and toasty. All right, our pizza sliders are ready. Oh my goodness, these look so good. Let's go ahead, put that to the side, bring in our buns. Look how nice and toasty these are. They did kind of stick together from that butter, but it's okay. It's nothing we can't fix. Beautiful. Oh, looks incredible. Now we're just gonna grab our sliders using some tongs and put them right there. Look how juicy our pizza burger sliders look. Okay, perfect amount for our Hawaiian rolls. Let's cover them up because it is time to give them a try. I'm just gonna undo our little, and this is the best part, you can just rip your slider off So perfect for a party, so perfect for, you know, an appetizer or just for whatever. Look, perfectly cooked. I like mine with a little pink. So good.